Was there ever a moment when you guys first came up with the genius plan to become a Peruvian flute band that any of you said, hey, you know, this plan might backfire? No, that never occurs to you, because you guys are jerks, and you never learn from your mistakes. And that's why everyone at school thinks you guys are assholes.
That's not true. Kids at school like us, don't they?
Yeah, dude, kids at school totally like us. Craig's just being a dick because we're having a tough time right now.
I'm being a dick.
Yes!
You guys took my birthday money, got me arrested, and sent to Miami with no way home except to take down the country of Peru, and I'm being a dick.
There's no talking to this guy.